Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you how to add text to your Instagram story. So first of all, you will click on this plus icon here, and then you will go to the story option, and I will actually make a story. So let's take a picture here. Okay, and now you can add the text by clicking on this option here next to the stickers option, and then I will type like this is cool. Now there are like bunch of different things that you can actually do with the text here, like you can actually customize your text. Okay, so first of all, if you see scroll here, you can see different type of fonts. Okay, you can select from these different type of cool fonts. Okay, so let's suppose I want to keep this font here, and you can make the text like big and small by adjusting this option here, and you can actually make it like left align, right align, and center align. And if you want to change the color of your text, you can click this option here, and it will actually change the color for you. Okay, like this one whatever actually you wanted to keep. Okay, and when you actually press on this option here, this will actually change the background for you. Okay, like this one, if you want to change the background. Okay, and then if you go here, this will actually add some kind of animation to your text. Okay, so that's how you can actually add text to your Instagram story. So guys, if you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.